This isn't going to be one of those flashy videos with jump cuts and crazy effects. What I want to give you today is a simple roadmap. Imagine building an online business where you don't even need to show your face. You hit a button, and in less than a minute, an AI tool creates a video for you, complete with text, visuals, and a voiceover. Those videos become your sales team, out there 24/7, working even while you're asleep. Here's how it works. You make a short, faceless video, then post it on TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and Pinterest. One piece of content suddenly multiplies into 4 streams of traffic. Think of it like casting a fishing net. The wider you cast, the more chances you have of catching leads and sales. Most people quit affiliate marketing because they burn out. They spend hours editing, only to get a handful of views. They feel like they're pedaling a rusty bicycle while everyone else zooms past in sports cars. AI changes that. It's like swapping the bike for a motorbike. You're still moving forward, but now with speed and less effort. Instead of wasting energy, you're building momentum, and momentum is what makes an online business grow. The flow is simple. Create your short AI video. Build faceless videos fast with ChannelBuilderAI. It turns ideas into ready-to-post shorts in a minute. Publish it across multiple platforms. End with a small but powerful call to action, such as, check the link in my bio for more. That link takes viewers to a landing page where they leave their email. Once they're on your list, your automated emails become the follow-up team, warming people up, sharing value, and recommending the products you're promoting. Each video is like a seed you plant. The more you plant, the more your digital garden grows, and over time, those seeds turn into real revenue. I use ChannelBuilderAI to create these videos in under a minute. For the funnel, I use a simple page builder. Nothing fancy, nothing complicated. Think of it like Lego blocks. Just drag, drop, and connect the pieces. And the best part? Once it's set up, it keeps running in the background like clockwork. So if you've been struggling to start with affiliate marketing, this is one of the easiest ways to finally gain traction. Quick, faceless videos powered by AI, multiple platforms, a simple funnel, and automated emails that do the selling for you. I've put together a free guide that walks you through the full process step by step. The link is in the description. And before you click away, do me a favor. Hit like, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future strategies, and share this with someone who's been stuck trying to build their online income. Remember, every video is a seed. Start planting today, and your future self will thank you for the forest you've grown.